Hello friends, myself Dr. Dinesh Bhutada, practicing as a dermatologist, cosmetologist, trichologist and laser specialist in India. I am a medical legal consultant and at the same time editor of 3 newspapers, Skin and Hair Times, Saundarya Varta and Saundarya Mantra, and I am running a trust called Medical Cosmetology Society of India. In this video module of nutrition and the immune system, I will be talking about the nutrition and immune system. As nutrition and immunology are interlinked, as the nutrition can modulate the functioning of immunology. Undernutrition due to insufficient intake of micronutrients and macronutrients impairs the immune system. Impaired immune system response increases one's susceptibility to infection and illness. Chronic malnutrition is a major risk factor for global morbidity and mortality. Following are roles played by various nutrients for the immune system to function properly, and these nutrients are macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are proteins and dietary lipids. In macronutrients are proteins and dietary lipids, and micronutrients are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, selenium and iron. Proteins. Nutritional deprivation such as protein energy malnutrition (PEM) can lead to immunodeficiency. PEM reduces the production of cytokinase and complement proteins, impairs phagocytic function, compromise the integrity of mucosal barrier, which increase vulnerability to respiratory, gastrointestinal and urinary tract infection. So protein energy malnutrition, which is because of malnutrition, this leads to immunodeficiency and this leads to the illnesses. Another macronutrient is the dietary lipid. Several types of dietary lipids can modulate the immune response. W3 and W6 long chain polyunsaturated fatty acids present in the membrane phospholipids of immune cells modulate cell signaling and inflammatory responses like phagocytosis, also the production of eicosanoids, and this helps in the immune response. So the main macronutrients which are required by the body is the proteins and dietary lipids. Now comes the micronutrients. In micronutrients comes the vitamin A. Vitamin A is very useful for our eye, skin and many other purposes. Vitamin A deficiency leads to night blindness, and at the same time in skin manifestation it may leads to phrenoderma. Vitamin D, which is very important for the synthesis of vitamin D receptors, is expressed in different kinds of immune cells, and which is also helps in the modulating the immune system. Vitamin C is an effective antioxidant that protects cells from the damage of reactive oxygen species generated by immune cells. Again comes the vitamin E. This is a lipid soluble antioxidant that protects cell membranes from damage caused by the free radicals. Selenium. Adequate selenium intake is essential to mount an effective immune response, and the iron is required for the human body to mount effective immune response. So in short, all these micronutrients and macronutrients are required for the building of the immune system. So nutrition and immune system run parallel. Nutrition helps to enhance the immune system, and because of that immune system, our defense mechanism of our body is strong, and we get prevented from the illnesses and infections. Thank you.